And after that, this one. Is it a function?
No,
Why it is not a function?
because 2 has 2 elements.
Two
Every
images.
element should have one element.
One image.
One image, one image.
Two has two.
Hmm.
Is this a function?
Yes,
Yes, it is a function because every element in
has one
domains
image.
has one image.
Hmm.
So now we have different types of functions. So you see, one means one element of set A is related to one element of set B,
Hmm.
and similarly, one element of set B is related to one element of set A. Means every pair is unique.
Okay.
I'll just explain. You
Hmm.
see, every element in set B has only one pre-image in set A.
Hmm.
Okay,
Yes.
and A also have only one image in set B. So this is called one function. And
Okay.
if you come to many one function, then you see this all the elements of set B do not have pre-image. Okay, and one element of set B has two images, two
Yes.
pre-images.
Yes. Hmm.
This is called many one.
Okay.
Means many element of set A are related to one element of set B. So this is called many one function. Okay, when two or more elements of set A has the same image in set B, then they are called many one.
Many one.
Now, what is onto function? Onto function is that when there is no element in set B which is left out, means which do not has a pre-image, then that is called onto function. Just
Means
like
means.
means here you can see there are three elements in set B, 1, 4 and 9, but
Yes.
one do not have a pre-image. Okay,
Yes. Hmm.
so therefore it is not onto function because this one do not have a pre-image.
Okay. Not to one to no. Or
So
not on to.
this is not onto.
Okay.
So
So
for a function to be onto, every element in set B must have a pre-image.
okay. Hmm. Yes.
Now
Yes.
we come to onto that I have explained. So if this is onto function, you can see this
Yes.
one is this function many one.
Hmm. Many one. Yes.
Yes, because 4 has two,
Two. Two
two
pre-image.
yes, because two elements of set A are related to one element of set B.
Hmm.
Okay. So this is many one function,
Hmm.
and this is also onto function because all the elements have their pre-images. 4
Yes.
has two
Yes.
pre-images and 5 has one pre-image. So
Okay.
this is onto function. And if a function is not onto, that is called
That is for.
into function.
Okay.
If a function is not onto, then it is into function.
Into.
In other words, into function has at least one element in set B which do not has a pre-image.
Huh. Okay.
So if you prove, suppose you are asked to prove that this function is not onto. So if you
Huh.
give example of any one element in set B which do
Okay.
not have a pre-image, then you have a proof. that the function is
Hmm.
not on.
Okay. Yeah. So this is minus infinity does not has a pre-image.
This I just gave for
Oh,
example.
okay, okay.
I just, in your notes, it may not be.
So if one does not has an image, so it is still onto function. Okay.
One, if one does not has an image, then
Yes.
this will not be a function.
Ah, it will not be a function. Like that.
Okay. If one do not,
Not means not be a function means any function it will not be. No.
no, it will not called a function
Okay.
because first it has to fulfill the criteria of a function.
Uh,
Okay. So just like here, it is not a function. You see, 4 do not have an image, so I just let
hmm.
it one element. So now it is a function. Now the last one, a function is called bijective if it is 1 1 and onto at the same time.
Okay.
If the function is 1 1 and onto both at the same time, it is called bijective function. So the figure which you are seeing, is this function 1 1?
Yes.
It is 1 1. And
Hmm.
is this onto?
Yes.
It is onto. So it is a bijective function.
Okay. Then yeah.
And now if I add here 9, now you see, is this
Uh,
function 1 1?
1 1. Yes, 1 1 it is.
It is 1 1.
Hmm.
Is this function
Hmm.
onto?
On. No, not on.
Not on.
Hmm. Okay. Uh, just- so
So,
assignment 5 I was having.
yes,
Assignment 5.
yes. Assignment 5.
Yeah. Topic practice 3. It is having questions I think like here only.
Yes. Have you opted for CA in class 11?
PA?
CA, computer.
No. I've taken PCMB.
PC,
Physics, chemistry, maths, bio.
physics, chemistry, math. PCMB, physics, chemistry, math, bio will be there.
Yeah.
And English will be there.
Yeah, English is compulsory. Yes, it is there.
Physics, chemistry, maths, bio, 4 subject. Fifth is English. You'll have one more
Yes.
subject. You'll have to choose one more subject. Either
Means
there are 6 subjects in class 12.
oh, class 12.
Means you are in 11th. No?
Yes, yes.
So there are 6 subjects. You have to choose 6 subjects.
Oh, but there it was written that you can choose 3 means in total 4, 5 or 6 or it was written.
Acha.
Don't know.
So maybe now the rules have changed. I don't know.
Mm. And here in this city means they are offering 5 subjects,
5.
uh, including
So,
English.
so assignment 5. Are you seeing any page number on that?
Page, no, no.
Yeah. It is related to functions.
Yes, I am telling you. Man.
Okay, I got it.
Topic practice 3.
I got it. So what is the question? Which one?
Which of the relations are function?
Which of the relations are function?
Are function. Yes.
Okay. So see, first it is written 2 comma 1, 3 comma 1, 4 comma 1,
Hmm.
3 comma 2, 4 comma 2, 4
Yes.
comma 3. Okay.
Hmm.
So what are the elements of domain? You write down first the elements of domain.
Okay. What will be the elements of domain?
You see, what should be the elements of domain?
Uh,
It is given in ordered pairs. So
yes.
first set element of set A is written, then element of set B is written.
Okay. So domain will be of A now.
Yes.
2, 3, 4.
Yes.
2, 3, 4,
2 comma 3
comma 4.
comma 4.
Yes.
2, 3, 4. Okay.
Hmm. Then elements of range.
Elements of range. Elements of range. Yes.
Elements of range 1, 2, 3. 1,
1,
2, 3.
1 comma 2 comma 3.
Yes.
Okay.
Huh.
So for f1 to be function, every element should have only one image. Okay, every element of set
Okay.
A should have only one image. So you see 2 has one image. Okay, 2
Huh.
comma 1, 2 has
Yes.
only
Yes.
one image. Then 3 has, see, you see 2 images, 3 comma 1 and 3 comma 2. Are you seeing?
What means how?
You
3,
see
1.
3
Yes.
comma
Yes.
1 means one image of 3 is 1, and
Yes.
there is another set also 3 comma 2.
Yes.
So 3 has got 2 images.
Yes. Yes.
Can you see?
1 minute. Yes, Prabhu. 3 has 2 image.
Yeah. And how
3,
many image?
1, 3, 2.
Yes. And how many any image 4 has?
4 also has 2 image. 3 image.
3 images. So it
Yes.
cannot be a function because
Yeah.
it should have only one image. Okay.
Hmm.
So first
Yes.
one is not a function. Second one, you see one has got only one image. Okay. You see the question. Switch on your audio.
Oh, audio was switched.
Yes. So you can see one has got only one image. F2. We are talking about F2.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Two
1
has
has got 1.
one has got one image. Two has got one image. 3 has got one image. 4 has
Yes.
got
Yes. Yes.
one image.
Ah.
Okay. So all the elements have got only one image.
Yeah. 4 has 1 image.
So it means this is a function.
Okay.
What is the next?
But if one element has 2 image, still it is considered a function.
Then it is not considered a function. Every element, you should always remember the two uh, criteria. Every element should have an image, and every element should have only one image.
Okay.
element of set B can have a pre-image. More means more than one pre-images. That is all right.
Okay.
But element of set A cannot have more than one image.
Okay. I, element of set B can have more than one pre-image, no?
Yes. So that function is called many one function.
Yeah.
What is the next question?
Hmm. Uh, Next question. I have to see the PDF once. Oh, if you can share the PDF, that assignment 5 topic practice, or I can also share.
Right. Means there are 6 questions. Do you want to ask all the questions?
Means I want to see the photo ones.
Okay.
So if you can allow that sharing one, then I can just share, or you just show the photo on the screen, then it will be easy
I
to
don't have it in my laptop. It was in my mobile.
Okay, okay. So you can just that allow that screen share. Harish?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So here is assignment 5.
Okay. Or I'm seeing the question once. Let F be a relation on the set N. Yeah, second question. I was having second question also doubt.
Okay.
Questions are short but tricky. I'm feeling that.
So you see what it is saying. Let F be a relation
Hmm.
on the set of n natural numbers. Okay.
Hmm.
Defined by F is equal to n comma n, so n comma 3n,
Hmm.
such that n belongs to natural number.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
The question is asked, is F is a function from n to n? If
Huh?
so, then find the range of F.
Yeah.
So you see, for every n starts from 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Yeah. Huh.
So for every n, you will have its image as 3n. For example, if n is equal to 1, the image will be 3. Okay.
Yeah.
If n is equal to 2, the image will be, what will be the image?
Image will be 6.
Yes. If n is equal to 3, image will be 9. Like this. So for every n, there will be an image. Okay, and every n has only one image.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so it is a function,
Yes.
and uh, so find its range. The range is asked.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so if you want to write the range, then you can write in set builder form or roster form. If you want to write it in roster form, then you start from 3 comma 6 comma 9
Dot
comma
dot dot.
12 dot dot dot. Okay,
Okay.
and if you want to write in set builder form, you can write that range R is equal to X, such that X is equal to 3n and n belongs to natural number. I will write it here. So if you want to write the range in set builder form, you'll write R is equal to X such that X is equal to 3n and
Hmm.
n belongs to symbol is not here. You assume it
Yeah,
n
yeah. E.
natural number. Okay.
Uh-huh. Okay.
So this is the range in set builder form.
Okay. And next question similarly we have to do that.
Next question, you've
But
got
there is mod. There is
yes,
mod.
there is mod.
Uh,
So you have to show that f is equal to g.
means that question also you
Yes.
can tell.
So first you have to tell me what is the condition for equal functions.
For equal functions, uh,
A is subset of B and B is subset of A.
uh,
No, that is for sets. That is for sets. For functions, there are three conditions for two functions to be equal.
every element of A is a subset of B.
Can you see on the screen?
Yes, Roji. Okay, domain of F is equals to domain of G.
Yeah.
Domain of
Codomain of F
is equal to codomain of G.
Uh,
and
And
Fx
then
is equals to
uh,
Gx.
third condition is fx is equal to gx for every x belonging to their common domain.
codomain meaning domain means elements of A. No.
Domain means set A and
Yeah.
codomain means set B.
Okay. Okay.
And fx is equal to gx. Any x you take, the fx will come is equal to gx.
Okay.
For example, we took here example that a is equal to 1 comma 2 and b is equal to 3 comma 6.
3 concepts.
And f is defined from a to b in this way. F is equal to x square plus 2. Okay. And g is also defined from a to b and gx is equal to 3x. These are the two functions. We have to verify that they are equal.
Okay.
Okay. So here f has two elements. Sorry, domain has two elements. So what will be f1? What
3.
will be f1 will
3.
be
3.
3. What will be f2?
F2.
6.
6.
4.
Similarly, what will be
6,
G1?
6. G1 3.
3.
G1 3 and G2 6.
6.
Okay. So you can see that F1 is equal to G1 and F2 is equal to G2.
G2.
For corresponding elements, the value is same. Okay.
Roji, why G1 is equals to 6?
G1 is equal to 3 and G2 is equal to 6. Because 3, if you put x as 2, 3 into 2 becomes 6.
Okay, in F only. Yes.
Okay. So you can see domain of f is equal to domain of g. The domain of f is set A and domain of g is also set A. Codomain is also same. Codomain of f is set B and codomain of g is also set B. So first two conditions are satisfied. Third condition also we have checked. F1 is equal to F2 G1 and F2 is equal to G1. So both all three conditions are satisfied. Any doubt in this?
No.
Roji, how we came to know that Fx is equals to x square plus 2 and Gx
It
is
is
equals
given.
to
It is given. It will be given that fx is equal to x square plus 2, gx is equal to 3x. It will
So
be given.
fx equals to gx. How? Means last one. Last. Fx equals to gx.
because the elements are same.
Elements are same. Na?
Since
fx
1 and 2 are satisfied, so third will also be satisfied.
I mean to say here it is written in general form fx is equal to gx. It means that if you take any element in the domain
Okay.
of set A, in the domain of f and g, their value
Hmm.
should be equal.
Yes.
Let's
If we
Okay,
say
take
understood.
let's say
g
x
comma
is
6 also.
equal to 1, so
Hmm.
f1 should be equal to g1. Okay,
Okay, okay, okay.
and if x is
Hmm.
equal to 2, then f2 should be
Okay,
equal
okay.
to g2.
Mhm.
Correct? So it should happen for every element belonging in their domain.
Yes.
Hmm.
So they have both the functions have only two elements in their domain, that is 1 and 2, and we have checked the values for both the elements and the corresponding values are equal.
So how the domain and codomain are equal in both?
See, what is the domain of f? F is defined from A to B. So what is
Huh?
the domain of f?
G.
No,
One,
f is defined from A to B. So
Mhm.
what is the
yes.
domain
One,
of f?
1, 2.
Yes, set A. No?
Mhm.
It is
Uh-huh.
clear.
Domain.
First, if it is written that f is defined from A to B, then A is the domain and B is the codomain.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Uh-huh. Yes.
So, and G is also defined from A to B.
Hmm.
So, G also has domain set A and codomain set B.
Yes.
Okay. So, we come to the question. So, are you seeing the question? Third question.
No. Means I'm not on the screen.
It will not be on the screen.
So, ji, which assignment?
Fifth
Question 3.
assignment.
Assignment 5.
We can
So,
share, Prabhu. If that it is showing disabled attendee screen sharing.
okay.
Or else we can also share.
Means I have the question in my book, but you should have the question with you.
Yes. Okay. We have in our gallery.
Okay. So that's what I want. That you should
Uh-huh.
have question with you.
Okay.
So the question is saying, I'm reading you. See the question.
Mhm.
Question says that let f is a function from z to z. What does it mean? Z to z?
Integer to integer.
Yes. Integer to integer. Domain is integer and range is also integer. And
Yes.
g is a function z to z. So the domain of G is also integer and a range
Huh.
codomain is also integer. Okay.
Integer.
Hmm.
So the function is defined by f is equal to x comma x square.
Hmm.
Okay. And G is equal to x comma mod x square.
Mod x square.
Yeah.
Yes, they
Okay.
both are same.
So both will be same because x
Hmm.
square and mod x
Is
square are
positive.
always equal.
Hmm.
X square and mod x square are equal.
Because
Since
mod
negative
x,
sign is not there.
yes.
For every x, even x is negative, let's say x is minus 3. So what is
Huh.
minus 3 square?
9.
9.
9.
Hmm.
And what will be minus 3 mod square?
9.
9. Okay.
9.
So for every x, x square is equal to mod x square.
Hmm.
Okay. So
Hmm.
this and domain and codomain of f and g are same integer.
So x and mod x are not equal, but है ना?
X and mod x are not equal. So I am writing here the function.
Roji, in this we have to take A and B as elements.
Yes. So here
A
fx,
set and B set.
No, you don't have to take the elements. You see here fx is equal to x square.
Hmm.
Okay,
Yes.
fx is equal to x square and gx is equal to mod x square.
Okay.
Okay,
Hmm.
so this is the function. So you can see that fx and gx are always equal
Okay.
because x square and mod x square they are always
Are equal.
equal for
Means,
every x.
Prabhu, let's say means if x value is -3,
Okay,
square is not there. Square is not there. Okay.
the
So
square will be there because it is
if
defined in this way.
if it is not there,
If it is not there, then it will there will not be equal function.
what will be the value of mod x if x
3.
value is
Ah,
-3?
then
3.
value of mod x will be 3.
Means always positive only. Huh?
Always positive. That
Yes.
is modulus
Because it.
function.
Okay. Okay.
Hmm.
It removes the negative sign.
Negative
Mod-
sign. Yes.
Modulus.
Okay. Yeah.
Have you got your new timetables?
Yes.
Yes, Prabhuji.
So now we have 6 periods in a week. Okay.
Huh.
Yes.
So we'll not have this doubt class. Instead, we'll
Okay.
have 5 classes and one
One
period
doubt.
we'll dedicate for doubts. Okay.
Okay, Prabhuji.
So, to prove these functions equal, you have to first prove that domain of f is equal to domain of g, which
Yes.
is there because both the
Yes.
domains are integer. Codomain of f is equal to codomain of g, that
Yes,
is also
because x
equal.
square is equals to
Okay.
mod square.
And third condition also you have proved because x
Yes.
square is always equal to mod x square.
Hmm.
Fx equals to gx.
Prabhuji, what is the codomain here?
Codomain here is integer. It is given as z to z.
Hmm.
So codomain is also integer. All the integer values.
And domain is
Now,
also z
and
to
domain
z.
is also z to z. Now, if you ask about range,
Huh.
okay.
Huh.
Hmm.
So there is difference between codomain and range. What is the
Okay.
range of this function? What will be the range of these functions? Codomain
Positive
we
integers.
yes,
Positive integers.
all positive integers starting from 0. Okay.
Hmm.
So starting from 0, all the sorry, not all the integers, the squared ones.
Yes, Prabhuji.
First it will be
No.
0, then
Uh-huh.
1,
Huh.
then
Then
4,
4. Then 6.
then
No, 9.
9 in this way.
16.
Okay.
So Prabhu,
Hmm.
domain and codomain, how are they different?
Yes.
Domain means set
Means
A and domain.
now
Codomain means set B.
no. Range is a subset of codomain.
Hmm.
Okay. Range is a subset of codomain. Now I will show you from the figure. You see this. Are you seeing this figure?
Yes. Yes.
What is the type of this function?
This is what we
Many one.
many
Many
one.
one.
Many
Yes.
one.
What is the codomain of this function?
1, 4, 9.
What is the range of this function?
4,
149.
comma 9. 4,
4,
comma
9.
9.
4, comma 9. So
Okay.
understand?
Yes. Yes.
So only two elements are having the pre-images. So they are counted in range.
Yes.
And all the elements of set P are counted in codomain.
Okay.
So
1, 5, 4, 5, 6 are codomain, na?
what are the elements? 1, 4, 9.
हाँ वही 149 are codomain, na?
Yes.
Yes.
And
Okay.
range? What is range?
4 comma 9.
4
4,
4 comma 9.
so you can see that range is a subset of codomain. Okay, range is taken from codomain, but not necessary that all the elements of codomain are taken in range.
Okay.
Roji, can you now explain the intervals?
Yes, intervals. So intervals, I had given you the notes also, although I have not taught it in the class. I
Yes,
thought
Roji.
we have.
Assignment, no, topic practice 2 sets, chapter sets.
See, intervals means that if you have to write this thing, x is so it's less than x less than 8 and x is real. Okay, so if you have to write it in intervals, it will be written in this way. So you see, x is greater than 4 but it is not equal to 4. Okay, and x is less than 8 but not equal to 8. So it is
Yes.
written in this way. You have to write the uh, first write these two brackets and you have to write it in bracket x belongs to 4 comma 8. Okay, in this
Roji, but how it came?
it is a convention, we write in this way. Okay,
Okay, if and there is equal to sign also with 4
if there is
is
equal
equal
to
to 8.
sign, if there is equal to sign, then we use this bracket, this one. Okay, so this if it is
Okay.
written in this way, it means that
Yes, 4
belongs
is not
x belongs to the
yes,
interval 4 to 8, but x is not equal to 4 and x is equal to 8.
equal 8. Yes, Roji.
Okay, if there is this is square bracket, it means the
Hmm.
boundary element is within the range.
Hmm.
But if this normal bracket is there, small one, it means boundary
Hmm.
element is not included. Okay?
Yes, Roji.
So, so the question which you asked, so now can you write it in intervals?
Yes, Roji.
About that last question, what will be the sixth question of topic practice script?
So I hope in class 10 you have to you have learned how to represent numbers on number line. Have you
Yes,
learned
Yes,
that?
yes,
Roji.
yes, yes.
Yes, Roji.
So that also shows the intervals you've learned, na?
Hmm.
Let's say if you have to represent this same thing on number line.
Yes, Roji.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah,
Means
yes, yes,
we
yes.
will
We can.
not we will keep empty circle on 4 and
Yes,
mm,
correct, correct, correct. And a dot or closed means filled circle. Okay. Now question number 6.
Hmm.
So question number 6 says that fx is equal to x minus 4. Okay,
Hmm.
and gx is equal to x square minus 16 divided by x plus 4
Hmm.
for all x not equal to 4. Can you see? It is written.
Yes.
It
Yes.
is not defined for x equal to -4. Sorry, -4. And gx is equal to lambda. This is read as lambda. This symbol.
Yes. Yes. Lambda.
Which symbol, Proji?
Find lambda such that fx equals to gx. Assignment 5. Last
So
question.
find lambda such that fx is equal to gx. So in this, what you have to do first, you see, fx is equal to x minus 4. So the domain is real. Okay, domain is real. If nothing is given, we assume that the domain is R. Can you see this? Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Yes. So what is the domain of function f?
F R.
So we have assumed that the domain is f, R, and codomain is R for both the functions. Okay. So now we have to prove the third point, that fx is equal to, actually we don't have to prove, we have assumed that because it is given fx is equal to gx. Okay.
Okay.
It is given fx is equal to gx. It means first we'll equate what is f of -4. F of, because fx is equal to gx, so f of -4 should be equal to g of -4.
F of -4.
Because it is given to us that
Yes.
fx
Yes.
is
Yes.
equal
Yes.
to gx, so f of -4 should be equal to
G
g
of
of
-4.
-4. So tell me what is f of -4?
F of -4. -8.
-8. -8 is equal to g of -4. What is g of -4?
6 -4. 16 -16 is 0. Oh, no.
Uh, that part, you see, there is also one thing is written. This
Yeah.
is
No.
valid for x not equal to -4.
Yes. Yes.
So this is not g of -4. For g, x is equal to -4. What is the value of g?
G.
Yes,
4.
Lambda.
lambda. Okay,
Lambda. Lambda.
lambda. So in my laptop there is no symbol lambda, so I am assuming it a. Okay.
Okay.
So what is the value of lambda? Then
-8.
4.
-8. You got value of lambda is -8. Because g of
How to?
-4 is lambda. G of -4 will is equal to lambda. Is it clear or
Okay.
not?
Yes.
Can you see? Can you able to understand what is written as gx? Can you understand this?
No, Proji.
Yes. So that is the problem. So first you have to learn how to read the if the function is given in this way. You see, function is given gx is equal to x square minus 16 divided by x plus 4 for all x except -4.
Yes.
It is written,
Okay.
it is
Yes.
valid for every x, but it is not valid for x equal to -4. So here it is, the way it is written is that x is not equal to -4.
Yes. So we will not take -4.
Yes. So we will not take this expression. Now you see what is written gx in second part. It is written that gx is equal to lambda for x equal to -4. Okay. So when we'll talk about g of -4, then you can see that it is defined as lambda. The value is defined as lambda.
Okay.
Do you
Proji,
understand?
but
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
but
yes.
how lambda is equals to -8?
Hmm. Lambda is equal to -8 because we are given that fx is equal to gx. Is given.
X minus 4. Fx equals to x minus 4 is also given.
The question in the question it is given. Are you able to see
Yes,
the question? It
yes,
is
Roji.
okay. So if fx is equal to gx, it means that f of -4 should be equal to g of -4.
Hmm.
Hmm?
Yes,
So we have calculated f of -4. What is f of -4? You calculate
yes,
by
-8.
-8, and g
Hmm.
of -4 is what is the value? Lambda.
Yes.
So -8 is equal to lambda.
Okay.
Okay.
But Roji, what is the value of lambda?
So you got na, -8 equal to lambda.
Okay.
So lambda becomes -8.
Hmm.
So in this, the reverse thing is given. In this, it is already given that the two functions are equal, fx equal to gx. So you have to find the value of lambda. So we have
Okay.
used this property that if the two functions are equal,
Mm-hmm.
then fx should be equal to gx for every x. And here we have seen that f of -4 is equal to g of -4. We have used this property.
Hmm. Roji, I have a doubt.
Yes.
That, uh,
So lambda value
new
we
question
found
is
out
there.
finished. No.
Yes,
You
it
got
is
the value
enough.
of lambda
Yeah. -8.
-8.
Hmm.
So
Okay.
what is your
Next
doubt?
question.
Roji, here it is given if set A is equals to 1, comma 3, comma 5,
Hmm.
then find the number of elements in power set of power set of A.
Yes. Is
Two
set
times
A
power set
power set of set A.
A. Hmm.
So
A
first,
equals to 1, comma 3, comma 5.
so what is the power set?
Mm. All the subsets of any element.
It is a set of all the subsets of any set.
Yes.
Okay.
Hmm.
So here is power set. Power set is a subset of all the sets.
Subsets of any element. Any set.
So what is the question?
If A is equals to 1, comma 3, comma 5,
Hmm.
then find the number of elements in power set of A.
Okay. So first we'll find power set of A. How many elements will power set of A have?
A mm, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8.
8 elements because
No, no,
we
no.
use this formula na, 2 to the power m.
Yes,
If
Yes.
A
yes.
has 3 elements, then it will have 2 to the power 3 subsets. Okay.
Hmm.
So power set of A will have 8 elements. All right.
8 elements. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now power set of A. How many elements it will have? It will have 2 to the power 8 elements.
Huh.
Hmm. How Prabhuji?
2 to the power n. One formula is there, na?
Yes.
If you are given that any element has n number of elements, okay, any set has n number of elements,
Hmm.
so how many subsets it can have, it is calculated by this formula 2 to the power n.
Yes.
Is
Yes.
this clear? So
Yes.
Yes, Prabhuji.
set A has 3 elements, so how many
Hmm.
elements subsets it will have? 2 to the
8.
power 3, 8
Eight.
subsets, and power set is the collection of all the subsets of set
Set.
A. Okay.
Hmm.
Yes.
So then how many elements power set will have? 8 elements, because there will be
Yes.
eight subsets.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Now it is asked again that how many elements will power set of A is having.
Yes.
So power set of A is having 8 elements. So power set of A
Hmm.
will have 2 to the power 8 elements.
8 elements. 2 to the power 3 elements.
8.
8